Good evening. I guess you'll see in my earlier video that I mentioned my computer that has all my YouTube videos except for this one that I'm making now and the one before it. They're all on actually this hard drive right here. My power supply has completely shit itself. After going through a stack of power supplies and finding one that fits and trying another one, it is indeed the power supply, so not losing my motherboard, thank God. But anyway, I know I did a video before about fixing power supplies. Now, I don't know how many have, just had a power supply up and die. And, there's a little bit of dust on it. But, yeah. But I figured when you get one that's all together, like this, and it really looks new with a lot of dust on it, you got to be real careful when you work with these. One, for sure, you can get electrocuted from them. But since I have one that's all together, I figured I'd go ahead and show you what to do when one of the voltage rails drops out on it. So we're going to do that right now. As soon as I need a tripod. Anybody wants to donate one? I'll take one. Hey, let's try this. There we go. Can of oil-based paint. Good stuff. The first thing we want to do is take this outer shell off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, there we go. Now see, if you're not careful, you might make the removal at the top a little more difficult. And bend it in like that. Okay, let's take it out of the ice, since there we go. Let's see if we get this. Got to get this top off right here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now, got to be careful with the circuit boards that are in here. You don't want to break them, because when you put it back together, it's probably not going to work right. But like this fan here, it had some bad bearings in it, so you need to take this part off right here to access them. Okay. And there's your bearings in there, right there. So the top has been removed. Let's see what kind of capacitors those are. Those are generic. You want to remove the bad capacitors. Now, like that. Remove the heat sinks, because those are in the way. There we go. And that'll fix your transformer right there. Okay. So when you got a power supply where the power rail, well, I should say it's got multiple. It's got a 3 volt, a 5 volt, and a 12 volt plus and minus power rail. This one lost the 12 volt side, which almost caused me to lose my whole computer. So it needed repaired. Now you want to save these wires because we're going to need to put them back. But this is what your power supply should look like if you're having voltage problems and you want to fix it yourself. But anyway, I'm going to get to work and repair it, and I'll talk to you later.